In this video, I'm providing my unfiltered opinion on when you should start your recruiting business. Be sure to stick around until the end because some of the points may surprise you. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel where we talk all things recruiting. So the number one question that I get in regards to recruiting is when you should start your recruiting agency. And to be honest, the answer is actually pretty straightforward. And that answer is, drumroll please, whenever you are ready to fail and learn from those failures. And I know that's not the answer that you're looking for, but hear me out. While the steps associated with starting your recruiting agency and getting off of the ground are pretty easy, the steps that are actually associated with you starting a business and being consistent in regards to that business and it being successful are actually extremely hard, especially when you're thinking about the services business, which is recruiting, in terms of you having to communicate your value to others. And if you add all of your other life commitments into the mix, such as family, friends, raising kids, a 9-to-5 job, and exploring what your purpose is in life, just to name a few, it can seem almost impossible to get a recruiting agency off of the ground. And then you couple it with the fact that you may be new to recruiting or just new to starting a business, which means that there's a learning curve that you're gonna have to climb. And with climbing that learning curve, it's important to note that you are going to fail. However, it's gonna be moments of failure. And what's really going to be the determining factor of how you'll be able to be successful in terms of your business is how you persevere in those moments of failure. Essentially, that one element is what's going to set you apart from everybody else. And failure can look like so many different things. Failure could look like not getting your first client within the first 6 months of you opening your business, or spending way too much money on fancy software and tools that you thought would be useful but actually bring your business no ROI. It's just inevitable. Honestly, everybody fails. Heck, I failed a bunch of times as I was getting my recruiting agency off of the ground. I had moments where I cried like a baby because I thought it was so hard and I thought that I honestly just was not good enough in order to make it successful. But in order to overcome all of those fears and all of those doubts that I had put in my own head, I had to push through. And I think what helped me the most was understanding that I wasn't alone. Everyone who's starting a business goes through these moments of feeling like they're a failure. Because the truth is, it takes a lot of time, energy, effort, and a lot of trial and error in order to have a successful business. And it's not to say that you can't do these things and master it, because honestly, that's what I encourage you to do 100% throughout all of the YouTube videos that I've posted. But you'll always hear me talk about consistency, and consistency is going to be the key to your success in order for you to be able to have a successful business. Even in those moments where you are at your breaking point and want to give up, you have to push through. That's the consistency piece. And consistency does not mean just showing up every day and working on your business either. Consistency also includes all of the self-work that you have to do in order to be able to show up for your business every day. You have to take care of you first and your business second. And to be honest, it took me a while to learn that. Honestly, I still think that most days I'm still trying to figure out how to ingrain that into everything that it is that I do. But it really is so important that you continue to put yourself first. So here's my advice. Make sure that you are in the right state of mind before you start your recruiting agency, or any business for that matter, and that you have already prioritized or incorporated things that you enjoy to do for at least 1 hour a day. Whether that's bike riding, exercising, doing yoga, binge watching a Netflix show, or just sleeping, honestly. Whatever that thing is, it should already be ingrained in your schedule at a specific time each day. And the reason for this is the fact that this 1 hour of enjoyment is already ingrained into your schedule before you even start your business. And because you enjoy it so much, it's going to be hard for you to let it go or adjust it out of your schedule. And because you're going to look forward to that 1 hour each day where you know that you get to do something that you enjoy, you'll be able to bring your best self to your business each day. And this also helps when you're facing failure, because in those moments where you're down, you'll always have that 1 hour each day in order to be able to look forward to something that you enjoy. The way I see it is there's a lot that you can compromise on in life, but the one thing that you should never compromise on is you and what you enjoy. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as if you have not subscribed to my channel already, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button, as well as that bell, so that you can get notified of all of my videos that drop each week, as well as my Facebook group. If you have not joined yet, please go down in the description box and click that link so that you can join the TBR community on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.